Hello everyone, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalysts. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make your first $1,000 with the System.io affiliate program. I'm super excited because I'm about to hit 20,000 commissions and I've been getting a lot of questions about how you can also achieve the similar results. So let's dive into it. This video is going to be divided into these 4 main steps. Step 1, understanding System.io. Step 2, decoding the System.io affiliate program. Step 3, navigating the pricing plans. And step 4, crafting your affiliate marketing strategy. Now let's move into the first step, understanding System.io. First thing first, before you start promoting anything, it's crucial to understand what System.io is all about. We need to know its features, how the affiliate program works, pricing plans, and who would benefit from it. Let me show you a quick overview. If you check out System.io website, you will see that it's all-in-one marketing platform trusted by 300,000 entrepreneurs. It offers features like sales funnels, email marketing, website builder, affiliate program management, business automation, evergreen webinars, online courses, blogging, sell product, and many more. They're always adding new features like online communities, which is fantastic for potential referrals. Now let's move into the step 2, decoding the System.io affiliate program. You can earn a 60% lifetime commissions every time someone uses your affiliate links to buy a System.io subscriptions or a course. It's pretty straightforward and there are no strict rules about how to promote it. It used to be a 2-tier affiliate program, but they changed it to a flat 60% commissions, which is better for us. Now let's move into the step 3, navigating the pricing plans. System.io has a freemium model, meaning people can start for free. However, this can be a bit tricky because if you promote the free plan, you might get a lot of sign-ups but not many conversions. So it's essential to focus on paid plans. They have a startup plan for $27 per month, a webinar plan for $47 per month, and an unlimited plan for $97 per month. The cool thing is, if someone chooses the annual plan, they can save 30% on their subscriptions. Now let's move into the step 4, crafting your affiliate marketing strategy. Now let's talk about strategy. To make the most of the affiliate program, I recommend creating a custom redirect domain for your affiliate link, like we have seo.funnelanalysts.com. This makes it look cleaner and more professional. You can do this easily on platforms like Namecheap by buying a custom domain and redirect the domain to your links. Once you have your custom domain, you can use it to promote System.io on platforms like TikTok and YouTube. For TikTok, you can create short videos on popular topics like marketing tips. Just mention your domain and let people know they can get started for free. On YouTube, consider making tutorials for beginners on topics like building a website or setting up email marketing automations. Always drop your domain at the beginning of the video. Remember, you don't need a massive following to get results. Even if you're just starting, this platform can drive traffic and referrals. It's all about providing values and giving people reasons to check out System.io. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to make your first 1,000 with the System.io affiliate program. Click the first link in the description below to become a System.io affiliate for free. That's it for this particular video. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.